Q1195. When operating an unmanned aircraft, the remote pilot in command should consider that the load factor on the wings or rotors may be increased anytime. A. The aircraft is subjected to maneuvers other than straight and level flight. B. The CG is shifted rearward to the aft CG limit. C. The gross weight is reduced. The correct answer is A. During maneuvers such as turns or climbs, the load factor on the wings or rotors increases. The load factor is the ratio of the total lift or thrust required to support the weight of the aircraft to the weight of the aircraft. A higher load factor increases the stress on the aircraft structure and may lead to structural failure if exceeded. Therefore, the remote pilot should be aware of the load factor when conducting maneuvers and ensure that the aircraft is not operated beyond its structural limits. Q1199. The amount of excess load that can be imposed on the wing of an airplane depends upon the A. Position of the CG. B. Speed of the airplane. C. Abruptness at which the load is applied. The correct answer is B. At low speeds, the wing's maximum lifting force is just slightly more than what is required to maintain the weight of the sUAS. At high speeds, however, the capacity of the light controls or a strong wind may raise the load factor above acceptable levels. 1200. Which basic flight maneuver increases the load factor on an sUAS as compared to straight and level flight? A. Climbs. B. Turns. C. Stalls. The correct answer is B. During a turn, centrifugal force pulls the aircraft outward, perpendicular to the direction of flight. This force increases the load factor on the aircraft, meaning that the wings must generate more lift to maintain altitude. The load factor is a measure of the additional force placed on the aircraft beyond the force of gravity, and it increases with the angle of bank and the airspeed of the aircraft.